Okay, so now we got the jump squats. Jump squats. This is gonna be a great finisher or whatever for your glutes and quads. It's going to burn them out, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do it just like you're doing a squat. You're just gonna stick that butt out. Remember, I always talk about the butt. Stick the butt out and use the butt so that you can fire yourself up, okay? So what you're gonna do is, if you're viewing me from the side, right? My butt is out, my hands are out. Whatever's more comfortable with you, here, whatever, okay? Butt is out like that. Coming down slow, jump up, coming down slow, jump up, coming down slow. Okay, so if you view me from the front, that chest is up, right? That chest is up. Jump up, coming down slow. Don't just like that. Jump up, come down slow, up, come down slow, up, come down slow, up, come down slow. Like that.